Hi everybody, this is the beauty of long trees. Very beautiful and fascinating trees in Pakistan. You can enjoy it. Tang tang ta tang, tong 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 ta tong, tong tong ta tong, tong 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 ta tong, ting ting ta ting, ting 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 ta ting, ting ting ta ting, tong 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 ta tong tong. Oh, very beautiful nature. Oh, zoom, 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 zoom. Whoa. This is the sunset time in Pakistan. Whoa, beautiful. Doo, 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 doo. Tang, 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 tang. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Ho, 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 ho. Long trees. Enjoy it. Enjoy it, everybody. Whoa, whoa. So beautiful trees. I love trees. Tang tang ta tang. Triu triu titik 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 titik. Be happy. Happy happy happy. Happy happy. Oh, you can see the beauty of nature on the eyes of camera. Whoa, the bird is going. Whoa, bird. Wah, yaar, wah. So beautiful. Amazing. Please like and subscribe my channel. Blessed you.